We're here at the Yacht Club and we're going to show you a tour of a standard room. Let's go inside and take a look. It's a nice room, very classy looking, kind of that nautical theme. So let's start back at the entrance. Here we have our coffee service area. We have a Keurig. They provide pods with Joffrey coffee, cups, ice bucket, and in here is your chiller. It's not like a regular refrigerator. It's kind of small, but you know, we have some things in there so you can put beverages in there. No ice, no freezer. You can go get ice. And here's a drawer, so you can use that to unload snacks. There is a light right here, so that's nice and convenient. Next to it is the closet. These are nice closets. As you can see, there are shelves on the top. In the middle part here, we have area to hang your clothes. And the bottom here, you can store suitcases or whatnot, but the thing is it's slanted, so some things might not stay. You do have a couple more shelves over here. They have the suitcase rack in here, but you can take it out of the closet. You do have a full-length mirror on this side, and on this side you have a hook if you need to hang things. One more section here. We have some shelving, so that's nice for storage, and we have shelving underneath. And in the middle there's a door, so let's open that. And in here you find your steam iron. And then this is an ironing board, so let's pull that out. And we're gonna open it up, and you iron, and when you're done, you fold it, and you put it back. Underneath it is a safe, and this is one of the, like you put your own combination in. It's very large, so that's nice. You can store all your valuables and not worry about their safety. Let's shut that, and let's go across the hall. This very large sliding door. Behind there, there's a bathroom. You can see that's a nice size counter. Very nice vanity. And we have two sinks in this room. Very nice. Above the sinks, you're going to find this shelf, so that's good to unload. Very large mirror. Nice and bright in here. And you can also have a magnifying mirror. They do provide Disney products, tissue, towels, and underneath you have shelves. So you can unload your toiletries down there, and they provide a hair dryer for you, so you don't have to bring yours if you don't want to. And then behind this door is your bathing area. So let's go in there. And this has a bathtub shower combination with large sliding glass doors. But if you look inside, you'll see it's a decent size. And that's a very nice shower head, by the way. And over here you have a shelf for your products. In this case, they give you Disney products and the ever-present clothesline. Behind you is your toilet, and then you have towel racks above it. You know I like that. And on the other wall, you have two more hooks to hang even more towels. So let's back out of here and go into our bedroom and seating area. The first thing I want to point out to you is this is where your thermostat is located. On the wall there, you're going to see a little shelf. So you put your glasses or your phone or your water or whatever on there. Now above it is an outlet, and it has USB ports. Now on each side of the bed, they have these little task lights. You can read in bed, and when you're done, you just fold them down. You also have lights above the bed. Oh look, they left us a Mickey head towel figurine. Aw. You have two queen beds in here, and underneath you can put items such as suitcases, or if you have bags, whatever you like to put down there. They're on platforms, so it's all open under there. Just make sure you check that area when you check out. Over here in between the beds is a nightstand. And on the nightstand, again, we have some more USBs and outlets. Nice top. And then we have 2 drawers here. And then we have a larger drawer here with the Bible. Of course, we have the phone. And then on this wall, you're going to see they have switches. So that's what controls the lights over your bed. Each bed has 4 pillows. Next to the bed is a desk, so that's nice. You can sit there and eat, or if you have to work, that's a good place to do it. Again, 4 outlets and 4 USB ports. And this room's really stocked well with that. You have a desk lamp and you have a Hey Disney. Above your desk is a very nice sized mirror, and you have a chair. And then look at this. This is our balcony. We are on the 3rd floor. So I'm going to open the sheer drapes and we're going to go outside. And our view is of the leisure pool and the tennis court. It's really pretty out here. It's kind of quiet. This balcony is pretty large, has 2 chairs and a table, but boy, you sure could fit more. And then when you come in, next to the doors, they have windows, which is really cool because it kind of looks like a little house. And then check out these drapes. On these drapes, they have constellations like Fiscus devotus, flounder, or Mausimus jovialus, which is Mickey. Here we have a combination table floor lamp, and next to it is a large sofa. Now this sofa is also a 5th sleeper, so let me show you how that works. There's a latch on this side here, and you push it down, and after you do that, you pull on this strap right here, and you pull down, and there's your mattress. You take these pieces off, fold them down, unbuckle, and there's your 5th sleeper. And then you're ready to use the bed. You just fold it back up, put it back up against the wall, and there's your sofa. Next to that is your dresser, nice countertop, great place to unload your stuff from your backpacks. Again, more outlets and USBs. Wow, they have a lot in here. There's a television above it, has a little swivel to it. And then look at this dresser. The top drawers are kind of shallow, admittedly, but the ones underneath it aren't that bad. So all in all, you have 8, 9 drawers here, and this area right here is where your extra pillow and blanket are located, but you could move that into the closet and you could use that for more storage to unload your suitcases. So that wraps up our room tour here at the Yacht Club. If you like this video, please consider hitting like and please consider subscribing to our channel. We'll see you on our next magic adventure. Bye.